One swift movement and all of these pieces will fall out of the puzzle. This puzzle is super simple to take apart, but very difficult to figure out how all of these pieces are going to link together inside of the tray. You can see these pieces are going to have to link together in the tray, and you're going to probably want to build it outside of the tray first so you can figure out how all of these pieces are going to sit together inside of the tray. These pieces can slide in from the side. You can see they're going to have to be standing in a certain way in order to get into the puzzle. And we have one hole on every single side of this puzzle in order to get all 4 of these pieces into the frame. This is the Minima slider puzzle made by Greg Puzzles and designed by Frederick Brucher. It is a level 8 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10, and the goal is just to fit all of the pieces inside of the box together. Nothing can be sticking out at the end, and there is a specific movement to get all of these pieces into the frame. To get the Minima slider puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And to see more fun puzzle solves like this, make sure you click that subscribe button. Now, all of these pieces look pretty similar except for these 2 pieces here. We're going to take these 2 pieces that look the exact same and we're going to set them off to the side. And we're going to take this piece to start off with and make sure we hold this tray in the right way. If we hold it in the wrong way, these pieces will not go in together correctly. So you're going to take this piece and insert it in through here, and you're going to want to use your finger in the back there to make sure that it doesn't slide in all the way. Next, we're going to take this piece that's not fully completed on this spot here and slide it in from the top. Now we want these pieces to link together inside of this tray, but we don't want them to go in all the way. Next, we're going to take this piece here and we're going to slide it in from this side. Now that we have these 3 pieces linked together, we can take one of these last 2 similar pieces, and we're going to take this piece and we're going to place it in just like this. We want it to go all the way in almost. And then at this point here, we can take this piece and we're going to slide it up through the bottom of the puzzle with this open cut facing out. Once all of these pieces are in the correct spot, all you have to do is push them together at the same time to fit them in the tray. If you had fun watching the Minima slider go together, make sure you watch this one right here. And if you'd like to get the Minima slider puzzle for yourself, make sure you go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.